Just one step bigger. Head over heels in love. Right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love. And everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I think it's been 6 weeks since my last video, which was my show day, and obviously since then I've lacked a little bit with vlogging. I think, like, you know what, I had that 4 weeks to actually recover, get my mind right and set new goals. So today, you know what, I thought I'm gonna get a vlog in and actually kind of let you know what's my plans right now and when's my next show as well. Generally I have so much to tell you and so much to update you on, and we'll also get like a full day of eating as well, since my food has completely changed, and I also do have a new coach, so more information on that obviously later on. But for now, I'm gonna get my first meal in just because I'm super hungry. I literally had no sleep today. I probably slept around 4 hours because of the heat, and the apartment that I live in, there's literally no fucking air. So I had to get up at 6. I had a client at 7 and I had to do fasted cardio, which is 40 minutes now. So yeah, I'm gonna make my first meal, my post-workout meal, because I do train probably, like, I come back home and then I have my cream of rice and then I would wait like an hour and then train. So my first meal is my post-workout meal. Sorry, pre-workout meal, not post-workout meal. No! You know what, I need to stop touching this camera because I didn't want to make this so close. But anyways, I'm gonna have my pre-workout meal, which is currently 40 grams of cream of rice, 100 grams of blueberries, 10 grams of peanut butter and 20 grams of whey. So I'll catch you in a second. I'm not gonna show you how I'm cooking it because it's quite simple and I am hungry, so I'll show you once I make it. So pre-workout meal is in. I've made it a little bit too watery, but this is the cream of rice from CNP. I believe it's cookies and cream, I think, or cookie dough, whatever. The 100 grams of blueberries, and I've added a bit of cinnamon as well. So I'm gonna eat that and then I'll probably catch you guys in the gym or before that. Okay, so I had my 40-minute kind of rest after the cardio. I fixed myself, I did my hair, and I need a pre-workout. I'm gonna have the AB, just the usual. I need to find it first. And of course you guys can't see me because of my kitchen. The lighting is horrific. Let me see if I can put the camera here. Obviously not the best lighting. Still lean, which is good. And we got like 8 weeks to my show, but I'll speak to you about that, guys, obviously closer to the time. I need to find my pre-workout. There it is. You know what, I got so much supplements all over my kitchen, it's just sometimes everything just gets lost. So just a scoop and a half, probably. That's it. Pre-workout in and ready to train some upper body. Oh my god, the lighting is not good even here as well. It makes me too white, but I think I need to change the settings in my camera as well. I haven't used this for like 6-7 weeks. But anyways, also completely different training plan now, since my split is hamstring, glutes and delts, shoulders, a bit of back, I will update you on the feedback that I got from the judges and everything after our train. Now we just have to get into the training and show you what I do now. So I'll catch you guys in the gym. Hello people, just finished the push session. To be fair, I look quite lean for 8 weeks out, 9 weeks out actually, yeah. Not counting the peak week, 9 weeks out I believe so. But yeah, session's completed. I'm just gonna do some posing now, 1 to 2 rounds, because my next look, obviously I will be keeping the bikini the same. As you already know, they are quite pricey. So for this season, it will be the same bikini. And hopefully next season, it will be something different. But for my next show, I do want to have my hair out. So I need to actually be more flowy when I obviously flip my hair. So that's the main goal right now, to focus on being more flowy with my posing. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna do some posing now and you will see the clips in a second. So I just got back home and time for my post-workout meal. So what I do, obviously I have Cocoa Pops for my post-workout meal, but what I do now is make a paste from this. I'm gonna have to put the camera down in a bit because I'm literally doing everything with one hand. It's 30 grams of whey protein. Also, this is the protein I am using now. It's so good, honestly. I thought I'm not gonna like it, but it's actually really, really good. But yeah, I'm just gonna make a paste from this. So that's the consistency. Sometimes I like it a bit thicker, but today we keep it like that. Then add the Cocoa Pops. So okay, 40 grams. Perfect. 40, that's it. And then just one banana with this on top and cinnamon. Absolutely banging. And then I just cut the banana on top and then added some cinnamon, and this literally tastes like a dessert. Before I used to literally eat it with water and then Cocoa Pops and then banana on the side. But now I'm trying to be more creative, so if you haven't tried that, I definitely recommend. I'm back. So basically I tried to take a nap, but this is not working. I can't fall asleep, and I've slept like 4 hours today because of the heat. But it's not even that, it's just in my apartment there's literally one window, which you can see over there. That's the only window I have, and then my bedroom's there. So over there is my bedroom, and there's literally no air in this house. But yeah, so while I'm here, I'm gonna speak to you and update you on what's happening. So as some of you already know, because of my Instagram, I've changed my coach for someone else, and currently I've been with him for the past 8 weeks now, I believe. So it was straight after, like 2 days after my show, I decided to go for someone else, and this has been on my mind for quite a long time. But I don't really want to go into too much detail about this. My diet has completely changed, obviously, of course, after post show. I had 4 weeks of recovery, so I did have like 3 off plans, but I've never ever like binged or overate, which is good because that's why my weight pretty much stayed the same. After the stage, obviously I did have munch then. The day after, I had 4 days of eating, but after that day I've calmed down, went back to my diet. So on that day I was probably like 63 kilo. My stage weight was probably 58.5, and then when I binged was 63, and then after that week it went down to like 61 kilos, and for the past 8 weeks I've been literally keeping the weight the same. So it's been going up and down from 60.2 to 61. So it was between 60.2 to 61 for the past 8 weeks, if that makes sense. But today I'm 60.8, and obviously I had my check-in. I've done my check-in yesterday, but I've got my response today morning around 6 o'clock. Cardio has increased to 40 minutes fasted, and I have 50 minutes post show, what the hell, I meant to say post workout 50 minutes, and that's it really. Training days I'm on like 1,800 something calories, probably like 1,850, and then non-training days. This is another thing, I have non-training days now, which I've never had it before. Basically before I was on the same food, even when I had non-training days. So the approach now to the training and my diet is like completely different, which I'm happy about, because a change is good, and this is what I needed, to be fair. So it was for the better, honestly. It was for the better. I feel better. I look so much better. I look more fuller. I look yeah, better, basically. I've missed the word. But yeah, talking about show. So with the show, am I gonna do the British finals? I'm not sure about that yet. At the moment, my coach is, I'm basically listening to him and going his direction. The show that I'm focusing right now is actually before the British finals, and obviously I won't let you know now because this is we'll keep it as a surprise for now until the show day. I haven't really told anyone about it. Do I want to tell anyone? No, I don't. So I'm really focusing on this show right now, just to bring the best package, I believe so. And depending on how I do in that show, we'll see if we're gonna do a British finals, because I'm not sure at this point right now. Do I want to? Yes, but will I need to do it? I don't know. But I see from that, 9 weeks till that show, without including the peak weeks, so 10 weeks in total. Still feeling good, but obviously more digging now, which is pretty much normal. With the feedback from the judges, the feedback that I've received is obviously getting more hamstring development and more condition, which is definitely needed. I feel like I wasn't conditioned enough for the show, but it's okay. It's my first ever show, and we all learn from it. So definitely want to bring more condition, more hamstring development, and this was my main focus now. Like in my training split, it's glute, hamstrings 3 times a week. So Monday, Thursday and Saturdays I would have like hamstring, glute dominated sessions. Don't really have any quad work, probably like a one exercise, which is a leg press, and Wednesday, Sundays are my rest days, and then Tuesday and Thursdays is upper body, which is focusing mainly on the delts, shoulders and back. So completely different split to what I used to train like before, and once again we learn from it. And if I compare myself the way I'm training now to what I was training before, I was a very ego lifter, we can say it, because I wasn't training as an athlete. I was training more as a, I don't know, as to get more strength, I believe. I don't know how to call this, but I used to lift a lot of heavy weight, and now it kind of, this training plan gave me like an idea, okay, I need to train for my category, which is figure. So yeah, that's all from now, from what I can tell you. I'm gonna chill for another like probably 20-25 minutes, half an hour. I'm gonna have my meal free in the next half an hour. Yeah, I keep repeating myself, sorry guys. And I'm gonna go to my mom's house today because the weather's nice. I don't want to sit at my house. And yeah, I'll see you with my meal free. Also, this is kind of like a food vlog today as well, so kind of everything. Okay, third meal, very basic. Just one bagel thin, 100 grams of green veg and 80 grams of breast chicken. So I'm gonna munch that and then probably see you at my mum's house. So I just did my meal 4, I believe. I think it's meal 4 now. So it's salmon and 100 grams of green veg. I tried to take a nap again, but I can't sleep, so I just had a tea. I told Janae to grab me some like sleeping teas as well, because I'm gonna try that so I can actually like improve on my sleep a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna eat that, probably start editing this vlog. So I'm gonna have to transfer all these videos to my laptop, and then yeah, go back home because obviously I'm at my mom's house now, and then show you the rest of back home now. I'm gonna have my meal 5. Obviously very simple standard meal, chicken and rice, 75 grams of rice, 100 grams of breast chicken, and 100 grams of mixed veggies. Today I actually went for tomatoes. I haven't had them in ages, and just added some green beans. I wanted a cucumber, but they didn't have any in the shop. So obviously this doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but yeah, I'm gonna munch this and then probably do some work and then show you what I'm doing next. So before I show you my last meal, I do want to quickly say that I am in a partnership now with Prozis. Is that how you pronounce the brand? Prozis, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so they've sent me, I've actually picked those supplements. So just like a omega-3. Do you have, oh, actually, I think they sent me 2 omega-3. Then I have the joints and bones complex, multivitamins, and I really like these. These are like hydration sachets. You put it in your water. There's one more thing that they sent me at top. So I will also put my code here, and you can get 10% off from your order. It will be linked down below as well, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I'm unable to show you my face because you won't even be able to see me because of the light in my house. It's just horrible. But last meal of the day, which is my favorite meal, that's why I keep it last. Also I have to use my phone to flash it for you. It's 100 grams of raspberries, some natural yogurt, a bit of cinnamon, dark chocolate, and protein and oats. Yeah, that's all. That's the last meal. I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have my tea and go sleep. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and obviously do not forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you hopefully in 2 weeks time.